हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम बात करेंगे डॉग्स की मीडियम और लार्ज ब्रीड्स के बारे में। डॉग्स की मीडियम ब्रीड में जो सबसे पहली ब्रीड है वो है लैब्राडोर रिट्रीवर। तो ये एक बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट डॉग है, होमली डॉग है और दिस ब्रीड इज़ वेल अडॉप्टेड इन इंडियन कंडीशंस। This dog is utilized as duty dog in police forces, railways and other institutes. Or this dog is available in different colors. Common color are black, brown, or the height of this dog can go up to 60 centimeter. Weight shall not go above 40 kg. In this dog, if the obesity is there, it can predispose your dog to arthritic changes. So be aware, be vigilant, take care of your dog so that it is not obese. Next breed is Siberian Husky. This is very beautiful dog. So this dog is having black and white color. It is having double coat, or this dog is particularly having some problems of eyelids, so get it checked properly at regular intervals with your vet. Next breed is Golden Retriever. This dog is medium sized dog. This is also homely dog. It is a very playful dog. This dog is used as companion to compromised human beings. Those may be deaf, dumb or other physically compromised human beings. It is commonly available in golden color and cream color. It is having very long coat, so maintenance is quite high as combing, grooming is required at regular intervals. This dog has tendency to develop hip dysplasia in its life course. So if you find any pain in hip region or any abnormality of the gait, then get it checked. Next breed is Boxer. This is very compactly built dog. This is having height of 63 centimeter. Weight can be up to somewhere 30 kg to 40 kg. This is medium sized dog. As I told, color is fawn or you can say brindle. Texture is short and shiny. So shiny texture, but it requires maintenance. It is very devoted and enthusiastic pet, or it can be vulnerable or predisposed to certain cardiac troubles. So next breed is Dalmatian. This is very beautiful dogs. It is characterized by the patches of the black color over the white. So this breed is, you can say, large breed. So it is very graceful breed. But it's due to its size, large size, people may be afraid of this animal, this dog, but it is very friendly dog for the family members. So this particular breed, this Dalmatian, can be predisposed or vulnerable for deafness and urinary stones due to certain metabolic, you can say, aberrations in the cycle. Next breed is German Shepherd dog. This is one of the common breed kept as a pet after Labrador in Indian situations. It is having double coat. This color is a mix of black and brown. It is heavy coat, so maintenance is quite high. Combing may be required. The problem of the hair fall is consistently, you can say, observed in these animals. These dogs are obedient, intelligent, and these are known for their watchful attitude. So this dog is having very dense hair coat, so this dog is vulnerable to certain skin disease and disease of the anal glands also. Next breed is Weimaraner. This breed is less commonly kept as a pet in India, but dogs are there in Indian situations. So its height is quite goes to 67 centimeter. Weight shall be around somewhere 35 to 40 kg. This dog is having gray or silver color. So this color changes as per the, you can say, light, or you can say this shade. So it is known as gray ghost. So it is medium-sized dogs. It is intelligent, energetic, but calm and friendly dog. Its texture is short and smooth. So this dog may have also some problems with the eyelids. So we can go for the regular checkup of the eyes. Next breed is Bull Mastiff. Its height can go up to 70 centimeters, weight can go up to 60 kgs. It is well known for guarding ability. It is reliable and alert. Color is brindle, fawn and red. Texture is short and smooth. This dog can be predisposed or vulnerable for bloat and dysplasia. Next breed is Doberman Pinschers. This at a time this dog was quite commonly reared, commonly adopted as a pet in India, but now the craze for this breed is less comparatively, as I find. So this height of the dog is 72 centimeter, weight can go up to 45 kgs. It is medium sized dog. It is bold, very bold and having alert temperament. This color can be black, fawn and red. This is obedient, fearless dog. It is quite confident, or this dog may be vulnerable or may face the problem of wobbler syndrome. So regular checkup with the vet are required. Next breed is Rottweilers. This breed is quite majestic, large breed. So height is around 63 centimeter. Weight can go up to 60 kg or more. In case of females or obese dogs, it is a guard dog, but it is having a very cool and devoted animal. It is quite territorial in nature. So but sometimes due to lack of training, or you can say ill tempering, this animal have certain temperamental issues, or it can be, you can say, dangerous to other people than the owner. So this dog is having particular some abnormality of the jaw, particularly the dental problems. So those can be examined time to time. Next breed is Saint Bernard. This is large breed. This dog is having height of 90 centimeter. Weight can be up to 80 kg, 100 kg body weight. This dog is very lively, friendly, watchful dog. This is being a large breed. It needs lot of space, good amount of food, good amount of exercise is required. Again, this breed, this Saint Bernard dog is vulnerable, predisposed to hip dysplasia. So this due to this long coat, so temperature regulation is a issue. So it needs you can say a cold environment, which is difficult to maintain in Indian continent, Indian situations. Next breed is Great Dane. It is the tallest known breed of the dog. Its height can go up to 86 centimeter, but record says its height has been recorded up to 112 centimeters. Weight can be up to 90 kgs. It is one of the largest breed of the dog. These are gentle. So this is a working dog again. So being large in size, it can have problem of the bloat and dysplasia. Next breed is Rampur Hound. This is again a Indian breed. Height is around 75 centimeter. Weight can go up to 30 kg. So this breed is very lean, thin breed. It is having particularly saw-like long jaw. Its lifespan goes up to 15 years. This dog is predisposed to bloat and you can say certain problems of the bones, long bones, that is the osteosarcoma. While giving anesthesia, this particular, you can say, lean anatomy of the animal must be considered by the vet before giving the anesthesia. So next Indian breed is Mughal hounds. These are known as Karwan hound also. This is originating from the Karnataka. This is used for hunting and guarding dog. Its height can go up to 72 centimeters and weight can go up to 20 kg. Very lean dog, very lean breed. Next breed is Gaddi or Bhutia. Its height can go up to 79 centimeter. Weight can be up to 45 kg. It is very intelligent, gentle and calm dog. It is closely related with the breed Tibetan Mastiff. It is maintained by the tribes in the Himalayan region in India. This dog is very well, you can say, adopted and has established utility as a guard dog for sheep and goats by the shepherds. Next breed is Indian Mastiffs, or normally known as Bully Kutta or Indian Mastiff. This is commonly seen in northern and western part of the India. Weight is around 90 kg, height is around 86 centimeter. Coat is very short, color is brindle, brown, white or piebald. This is employed as working, guard or hunting dogs in particularly territories of Punjab and Haryana and western UP. This is being a large breed. Its exercise requirement may be high. It may be difficult to maintain in the, you can say, normal nowadays modern household setups. So in this dog must be employed by the owners which are having farmhouses or big spaces. So at bit times this dog can be aggressive.